Welcome to this tutorial on Amazon Kinesis, a powerful service for real-time data streaming. Kinesis is part of the AWS Analytics suite and enables you to collect, process, and analyze streaming data in real time. In this video, you'll learn about the core concepts of Kinesis, its different services, and how it helps organizations process data as it arrives, rather than waiting for batch processing. Let's dive in and explore how Kinesis transforms the way we handle real-time data. Amazon Kinesis is a fully managed AWS service designed for collecting, processing, and analyzing real-time streaming data at any scale. Think of it as a powerful pipeline that can handle massive amounts of data flowing continuously from various sources. Whether you're dealing with application logs, social media feeds, financial transactions, or sensor data from Internet of Things devices, Kinesis can ingest and process this information in real time. The key advantage is that you don't need to manage any infrastructure yourself. AWS handles all the complexity, allowing you to focus on gaining insights from your data immediately. Amazon Kinesis offers 4 distinct services, each designed for specific use cases. First, we have Kinesis Data Streams, which captures and stores streaming data for custom processing. Second is Kinesis Data Firehose, which loads streaming data directly into AWS data stores and third-party services. Third, Kinesis Data Analytics allows you to analyze streaming data using standard SQL queries or Apache Flink. Finally, Kinesis Video Streams is specialized for processing and analyzing video streams from connected devices. Each service plays a unique role in the Kinesis ecosystem, and you'll often use them together to build comprehensive real-time data solutions. Kinesis Data Streams is the foundation for building custom real-time applications. It allows you to capture streaming data and retain it for a period ranging from 24 hours to 365 days, giving you flexibility in how long you need to keep your data available. One of its powerful features is that multiple consumers can read from the same stream simultaneously, enabling different applications to process the same data for different purposes. The data is organized into units called shards, which enable parallel processing and allow you to scale your throughput by adding more shards as your data volume grows. 2 fundamental concepts in Kinesis data streams are shards and records. A shard is the base unit of throughput capacity in a stream. Each shard has fixed read and write rates, specifically 1 megabyte per second for writes and 2 megabytes per second for reads. When you need more capacity, you simply add more shards to your stream. A record is the unit of data stored in Kinesis. Each record consists of 3 components: a partition key, which determines which shard the record goes to, a sequence number assigned by Kinesis to maintain order, and a data blob, which is your actual payload limited to 1 megabyte in size. Kinesis Data Firehose is a fully managed service that simplifies the process of loading streaming data into various destinations. Unlike data streams, Firehose doesn't require you to write custom consumer applications. Instead, it automatically delivers your streaming data to destinations like Amazon S3 for storage, Redshift for data warehousing, OpenSearch for search and analytics, Splunk for monitoring, custom HTTP endpoints, or various third-party services. Firehose handles all the complexity of batching, compressing, and encrypting your data before delivery, making it the easiest way to reliably load streaming data into AWS. Kinesis Data Firehose offers several powerful features that make it ideal for simple data delivery scenarios. First, it requires no administration. You simply create a delivery stream, and Firehose handles everything else. Second, it automatically scales based on your throughput requirements, so you never need to worry about provisioning capacity. Third, you can transform your data on the fly using AWS Lambda functions, allowing you to clean, enrich, or reformat data before it reaches its destination. Finally, Firehose provides near real-time delivery with a minimum latency of 60 seconds, which is perfect for use cases that don't require instantaneous processing. Kinesis Data Analytics enables you to process and analyze streaming data in real time using familiar SQL queries or the more powerful Apache Flink framework. This service is perfect when you need to derive insights from your data as it flows through Kinesis. Common use cases include building real-time dashboards that update continuously, creating real-time alerts that trigger when certain conditions are met, and generating real-time metrics for monitoring application performance. Data analytics integrates seamlessly with both Kinesis data streams and Firehose, allowing you to build end-to-end streaming analytics pipelines without managing any infrastructure. Kinesis powers a wide variety of real-time applications across different industries. Real-time application monitoring allows you to track the health and performance of your applications as events occur, enabling immediate response to issues. Fraud detection and anomaly detection systems use Kinesis to analyze transactions or activities in real time, identifying suspicious patterns before they cause significant damage. Log and event data collection centralizes logs from multiple sources, making it easier to troubleshoot issues and maintain system health. Gaming data analytics processes player actions in real time, enabling dynamic game experiences and immediate insights into player behavior. Let's recap the key points about Amazon Kinesis. First, Kinesis enables real-time data processing at virtually any scale, handling everything from a few megabytes to terabytes of data per hour. Second, it's important to choose the right Kinesis service based on your specific requirements. Use data streams for custom applications, Firehose for simple data delivery, analytics for real-time insights, and video streams for video processing. Finally, all Kinesis services are fully managed with automatic scaling capabilities, meaning you can focus on building your applications rather than managing infrastructure. With Kinesis, you're empowered to build sophisticated real-time data pipelines that deliver immediate insights and enable rapid decision-making.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.